the MIS extension identifies a Marble Blast Gold mission file containing level definitions and gameplay configurations for the Marble Blast puzzle game series. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, create, or troubleshoot these game-level files. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for MIS files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. MIS files are mission-level files for Marble Blast Gold and Marble Blast Ultra defining complete game levels. They contain level geometry object placements, item positions, trigger zones, time limits, and gameplay parameters for the marble rolling puzzle gameplay. Marble Blast MIS files use the Torque game engine's text-based mission format with object declarations specifying position, rotation, scale, and properties. They define interior instance objects for level geometry, SpawnSphere for start positions, and item objects for collectibles. To ensure best performance with MIS, always start with Marble Blast Gold from Garage Games. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows shows only high-level details, so reading or editing game data depends on compatible tools. Let's start the elimination process. Right-click your MIS file, then click Open With. Try Marble Blast Gold first, and if that fails, immediately test the next application in the list. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the MIS file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, editing levels. Open MIS files in any text editor to modify level parameters. Edit object positions by changing transform values, add new items by inserting object declarations, and adjust time limits and scoring parameters. Save changes and load the level in Marble Blast to test modifications. Next, creating custom levels. Study existing MIS files to understand the object structure. Create new levels by defining interior instance objects for geometry, placing spawn points, items, and hazards. Use the Marble Blast level editor if available, or build levels entirely through text-based MIS file authoring. Finally, community level sharing. The Marble Blast community creates and shares custom MIS levels through modding forums and websites. Place downloaded MIS files in the game's missions directory along with any required DIF interior files. Custom levels appear in the game's level selection for play. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.